My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. This vehicle has done just over 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights. On the screen, we have Apple and Android CarPlay, web browser, eco data, valet mode, in-control apps, and climate control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Evoque also comes with 4 different terrains to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather interior. You can get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.